we knew we had to do something back then when the bill was ran through the House. There was no whatsoever any consultation to the First Nations that their rights are being impacted. That's when Idle No More happened, and we took a different route to go legal route, thinking and hoping that that we would have some kind of faith in the justice system of this country to do the right thing. And when we won the first go-around, you know, it was, I knew there's going to be an appeal, but I was wondering on what basis was the appeal is going to be. And that's the very decision that they've come with, is that there's no duty to consult while drafting legislation, which is a bunch of BS. How are they going to know if they're impacting our treaty rights if they don't talk to us, they don't consult with us? How would they know that? And are they going to undo the legislation if they find out that it impacts our rights? And the sad part is that it's not only it affects the First Nations, it affects the rest of Canada. When they got out the Environmental Act, basically they wanted to destroy the environment. They wanted full steam ahead. They didn't want no First Nations in the way. And we were the problem, because we wanted to be consulted. We wanted to be in our traditional territories. We wanted to protect our fish habitats, and they didn't care. They want to go right through, bulldoze through, have plants, projects coming out as fast as they can. And coming to this day, thinking about all that, thinking that, well, anybody with reason would say it's a simple decision. You'd have to consult before you draft any kind of legislation. You'd have to talk to the people, the owners of the land, the people, the First Nations people. And then you know whether you're going to be impacting our rights. But I don't know how they were thinking. It's very, very sad that this country, the justice system, has failed the First Nations again. And I had hopes coming in, and I was up early this morning. I got into the city 2 o'clock this morning, and thinking that you know, this is going to be a big day for Canada, not only First Nations. That the Supreme Court, all the judges will be in favor of saying, yes, you have to consult before developing any kind of legislation. And it didn't happen, and we're still here. It's no different when they put us in a residential school and try to take the Indian out of us. It didn't work. We're still here, and we'll still be here going forward. But you know what? Canada, thank you, because you just made us stronger. You made our people stronger. Thank you for that.